Most med spa ads look good, but do they actually book clients? Today we're going to rewrite one live so you can see exactly what you can fix.
All right, let's look at this ad from Beautiful Body Medspa. Hey, St. Louis, do you want to reduce wrinkles and tighten skin without surgery? If so, this special is for you. Our non invasive neck lift treatment can have you looking decades younger without needing surgery, and you can book your first treatment for just $147. The first step is to click the link below and submit the form so that we can see if you're a candidate. If so, simply book and come in for the appointment, where we will create a custom treatment plan based on your goals. Schedule your appointment soon as we can only take on 5 new clients this week. All right, so let's talk about this St. Louis neck lift ad. So first off, it opens with "Hey St. Louis," which is good. We always love a local call out. But right after that, it dives straight into a general benefit, right? Reduce wrinkles and tighten skin. It's not bad, it's just not memorable, and it doesn't hit on emotion or paint a picture. Then we get a bold claim, right? Look decades younger. That's risky. You want to avoid time based promises or anything that sounds like a guaranteed outcome. Compliance red flag there. The offer, 147 for a non invasive neck lift, is strong, but it's buried under a bunch of vague copy. There's no clear transformation, no urgency in the tone, even though they mention urgency, and we're missing sensory language that makes someone feel something when they read it. Also, there is no visual hooks, no social proof, and the call to action is a little clunky, right? Click the link below and submit a form so we can see if you're a candidate. That could be simplified big time. Bottom line, good offer. Right now it reads like a bland info post. Let's fix this ad using our $97 MedSpa rewrite playbook. We're going to make it punchier, faster pace, and emotionally loaded. All right, so we're going to focus on the copy here. And we want to stop the scroll immediately with a transformation plus a shout out to St. Louis. We're going to say, "Hey, St. Louis, let's tighten that jawline and snatch that neck. No surgery needed. Look lifted, feel confident, and get that. Did she get something done? Glow." All right, so we're painting the picture of how it feels to have that transformation. So our non-invasive neck lift uses next gen tech to sculpt and smooth. Clients are obsessed with the lift it gives them. It gives their jawline and neck. So now I want to make the 147 feel like a steal. So right now, your first treatment is just 147. And we want to crank up the urgency, so only 5 spots left this week, and they always go fast. You'll walk out feeling snatched, refreshed, and confident AF. Let's give them a simple call to action. So tap below, see if you're a candidate, and grab your spot. Let's give them a reason to trust. So we'll create a custom plan based on your goals. No pressure, just results. All right. So let's read this. So it says, "Hey St. Louis, let's tighten that jawline and snatch that neck. No surgery needed. Look lifted, feel confident, and get that 'did she get something done' glow. Our non-invasive neck lift uses next-gen tech to sculpt and smooth. Clients are obsessed with the lift it gives their jawline and neck. Right now, Your first treatment is just 147. Only 5 spots left this week, and they always go fast. You'll walk out feeling snatched, refreshed, and confident AF. Tap below, see if you're a candidate, and grab your spot. We'll create a custom plan based on your goals. No pressure, just results. I'm going to sign off the name of the med spa. So we'll say Beautiful Body Medspa. And voila, that's the ad. And so this rewrite fixes a flat, info heavy ad by injecting energy, clarity, and emotional urgency. We focused on local calls to hook St. Louis viewers, sensory benefits, jawline, snatch, glow, simple call to action instead of form filler friction, scarcity, and price anchor to trigger action. This one hits hard and books fast without crossing any compliance lines.
This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.